Hello everyone, it's Charlion Patrice, and if you are new here, welcome. Today I'll be showing you a quick glueless wig install. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep on watching. This wig is from Megalook. I received a 22-inch 13x4 loose deep wave highlighted blonde wig. And here I'm just showing you how everything looked when I first received it. So as you can see, the wig is constructed very well, and I did bleach the knots to my liking because they did not come bleached. This wig have 3 combs to the top and 1 at the bottom, and also an elastic band. So this is how the wig looked once I finished bleaching my knots and washing the hair, and I let it air dry. So now I'm preparing for my install, and I'm running my fingers through the hair. It's so soft. So all I'm doing is pushing my hair back, and then I'm going to cut the extra lace in the front. And after that, I'm taking my hairspray, and I forgot the name of this, but I will leave it down below in the description bar. But all I'm doing is spraying the wig, like the hairline, and then after that, I'm taking my my melting band, and I'm going to apply it for about 15 minutes. So once I let my melting band sit on for about 15 minutes, I'm removing it, and all I'm doing is cutting off the extra lace that I have in the front and also by my ears. So after that, I'm going to apply a few little baby hair. I didn't want a lot, so I think I only did 1, and I did like the sideburns on each side. So this is the final look. This unit is so gorgeous. Okay, they did an amazing job with the highlights and the color of this unit. I received a lot of compliments. One thing I love about this unit is the curl pattern. It's not too tight and it's not too loose. It's like just right. Okay, so that means like the maintenance wasn't high. All I did was spray water and conditioner in the hair. I brushed it out, and then I applied some foaming mousse to it, and then I scrunched up the curls, and then I let it air dry. I was not getting like matting or anything with this unit, and like shedding or anything like that. I wasn't getting that. So don't forget to check out Megalook. I will have a link down below in the description bar, so you guys go ahead and check them out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you dolls in the next video. Bye bye.